Sage turkey burgers. We have a little interesting twist to do with our turkey burgers. You know, it's always interesting to keep finding good sources of protein that your whole family will eat. And chicken is a good alternative, so as we wean ourselves from red meat for a lot of people. So here I have 2 pounds of ground turkey, and we're going to take 1 onion ground up, a little garlic ground up. Now here's the really two interesting seasonings. 3 tablespoons of sage. That's a lot of sage. That's like what you do for a turkey for Thanksgiving. And then this is another really interesting one, a tablespoon of lemon zest. So all of this goes in our hopper. So it's like a meatloaf, but it's not, because it's a turkey burger. And so we have our ingredients here, and so these get, and then we take 2 eggs. So again, it's a little bit like a meatloaf, except it's turkey burger. And then you can, I've got these red pepper flakes out, depending on your taste buds. You can put as little or as much as you want in there. And we're going to make, so we're going to form these into 8 patties, and you can cook them on the stove, mostly, on the skillet, in a little coconut oil. But since the recipe calls for 8, it's going to take a little while to do in the frying pan, so I'm going to take out a baking sheet and I'm going to put them in the oven. Now you'll be glad to know I just washed my hands very thoroughly before I started this video. So I'm clean to go here. All right, so I'm going to sprinkle this on some of the turkey burgers, but not all of them. One of the grandchildren loves everything hot and spicy, and other ones don't like anything hot and spicy. So, all right, so here we go. So we're just making burgers. So here we have, got it? So here we have our turkey burgers. The recipe said called for 8. Oh yeah, I have 8.5, just about right. So now these are going to go in the oven, and I'm guessing 20 minutes. But as I said, the way my friend told me is she makes it in her skillet. So but that makes sense to me. It's going to be between 350 and 400, and we're going to start with 20 minutes. So I will see you back at the ranch in just a few minutes. Our turkey burgers have come out of the oven. They were in for 375 degrees, about 25 to 30 minutes. You're just going to have to kind of watch that. And I actually did a little sneak taste test, but I'm going to do another one because the fun ingredients, the fun one for me is the lemon zest. It adds such an interesting little flavor when you go burger. Oh yeah, well I've had burgers before. But honestly, this one goes in the very special burger category. So here, pretty hot yet. So, and you'll see I put red pepper on some of them and not on some. Here we go. I love the lemon zest. It's such a little kick. The recipe also calls for a little lemon pepper, but I didn't have any on hand, so I didn't add it. But the lemon is really, really nice. So those are our sage. That's the other thing that's good. Sage and the lemon zest. So these are our sage turkey burgers for all year round. Thanks so much.